Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone, it looks like they're creating their own artwork piece here. Very simplistic design, nothing too complicated. Oh yeah, this is definitely an easy one to try. And what's nice about this one is you can use like different sizes depending on the canvas that you get. Very cool idea. And of course you can spray paint it any color you desire. Very cool. And I like how she has the two different designs next to each other. So moving on to the next DIY, this looks like some type of like table design maybe? Oh, wow. I love this. The simplicity behind this is just unreal. So she bought this little wooden piece already made, just painted it, and then put like the floating candles. That is a really nice decorative piece. So then we have a DIY with a pool noodle. So we have some cardboard here as well. Many different ways you can play around with these items. Oh, looks like they might be making a table with this. Wow. Oh, I am really impressed with this one because we have seen so many DIY table designs on this channel and I've never seen this before with the pool noodle. This is crazy. Wow. Oh. Wow. I cannot believe she made a table out of pool noodles and cardboard. Insane. Wow. So then we have another DIY featuring some candle holders. Black and gold. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Wow. So she's just layering the gold paper in there. Wow, that is gorgeous. Incredible. That looked so high end. And then we move on to the next one. This one features some cardboard. At first I thought that was a paper towel they were wrapping around the box. I was like, wait a minute. Okay, this is a simple design. They're like basically just decorating a box. Okay, and you can use that for many different items. Oh, they use theirs for toilet paper. Nice. Gotta put that toilet paper somewhere. And then we have a potter plant. So they pre-bought one. I like the shape that she ends up making with this. Like obviously she already showed us the finished result, so. Yeah, this is a very impressive design. Wow. Definitely looks like something she spent a lot of money on and she just bought like a plain planter and then jazzed it up. That is crazy to me. So cute. Okay, so then we have a vase design. Now this one does look a little homemade. I think maybe the foil is like giving it like a homemade appearance. I don't know. Let's see what she does here. I always like the DIYs that recycle like items that you would just typically throw away. Okay, see, I think what she should have did was just maybe spray paint that. She does go in and then she kind of adds some texture, and I think that's what's giving it like that lumpiness, and it just looks a little homemade to me. It doesn't look bad, it just looks homemade. I don't know, what do you guys think? It's a cool design though. Great way to display some flowers. Ooh. Wow, okay, so we have another table DIY here. We're seeing a lot of wavy shapes and textures when it comes to home design. But I've never seen like this wooden like table inspiration. This is really interesting. Most of the time when I see the wavy design, it does showcase or show off like pastel colors. What am I trying to say here? Most of the time when I see this design, it's on like a bookshelf. It's some type of shelving. So it's really interesting to see it with a table. Wow, that looks amazing. Oh, she did do shelving. Okay, I thought she was gonna do a table design. Wow, that looks really cool though. Amazing. I would like to see this with a table though. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out these DIY projects ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.